Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Yep. So I posted a short on my channel, Deadpool coloring book. I mean, the movie Deadpool and Wolverine is making a lot of noise. I just thought, why not jump on that thread? So I decided I wanted to go with a coloring book because why not? But I felt I should go with something I've done before, or something I already have products on my Amazon. I have my Edward Cullen journal and my Elena journal from Vampire Diaries. So I thought, why not a journal? So, and it's just easy for me to do because I'm not generating anything and I just want to do it fast. This knock out one of my goals for this month in publishing. So I already have the lines. So I just opened my Elena journal here and I'm just going to edit. So this is the master page. Sorry, I started recording the audio before I started making the book before I remember to turn on my mic, guys. Sorry about that. So I'm just gonna continue right here. So the Alina's journal, where is it in the PDF? Had a prompt on the first page and then a grateful page, because we all know Alina was such a droop, guys. Each day, the breath I take, every beat of my heart reminds me that life itself is a precious gift. Oh yeah, Alina was that kind of character. So I decided that is definitely not gonna work for the Deadpool journal. So I decided to go with the funniest thing on this second side and then leave the side as a point. So we can see that the Elena words are still here. So one thing you want to do is make sure that you use handwritten font on this side. So it just feels welcoming. So I've gone and checked a lot of fonts. So and I just favorited a little so that I can go back to them and then check which one I like best. So I really like this one, but now that I look at Elena journal again, it looks too similar. I want something different. Sorry, whatever your name is. So this just looks too, I don't know, ostentatious or something creepy. I don't know what that is. And is that a full stop of this font? Oh my god, no. Okay, so make sure you go for something handwritten but very clear, guys. Make sure it's readable, because it's kind of irritating if someone can't read the prompt properly. I really like this font, I do, but I feel like might not be readable. Some of the F's and T's look strange. I need something more readable. Let's see, handmaster, maker, handmaker. Yeah, I don't like how thick it is. I'm just gonna go with this or this. This, so I think this works. It looks good. And I'm gonna change the font for here too. I don't want anything to be the same. Awakens. I'm gonna go with something very comical, like very funny font, guys. Like, what the hell is that kind of font? And I have a lot of those kinds of fonts. Like, I don't know why, but I just can't help downloading them anytime I see them. Okay, wow. I think I downloaded them in my sleep, because I can't find one funny font. Okay, I'm just gonna maintain the style and go with something straight, not too crazy but different from the other one. So just to give it a little different. No. Font pairing class 101. Wow, I thought this was going to be easy, but apparently not. I think I should delete some fonts on my system. I think that is my major problem. There are just too many and I can't make a goddamn choice. What the hell is that? No, not readable enough. Okay, I think that works. And about yesterday was, yeah, I don't want to risk it. That font looks, I'm not mentioning names, but it looks like some kind of people might not be able to read that. The funniest thing about yesterday was, please, if this font is not clear enough in your opinion, please let me know so that I can do something about it. Okay, so Dear Diary, Daily Journal, that just doesn't have to change, maybe the font does. Oh, alignment is off used. What the hell is happening? Okay. Okay, that worked. No, thank you. Days with Mr. Poole Journal. Come on. Used. Oh, used. Okay, that works. And then the page numbers. Why isn't one up? I think one should be up. The page number here should go up. Oh my god, cute. Oh, right. Okay, so there are two fonts in here. So I have to change awake to what's replacing awake, just whatever font, and then this is, wow, it is the same font. So I just gonna use the handwritten font. This video should not be this long, man. I think I'm already talking too much. Great. So I think that is good. Okay, so this is the day one prompt, right? So if you know how Affinity works, you can edit the text in the master pages across all pages. So I just always put the first day's prompt here. So I've got a few. So the hard work is going to be, because I always edit the prompts a bit, the diary entries, I always edit them, and so that's why I generate a lot. So I pick which one to use and which one to cut out. So I'm just gonna speed through this part. You don't have to watch it. So guys, that's done, right? So just because it's Deadpool, I decided to go with 103 days. Just make it sarcastic and ironic, right? Odd number. I wanted to go 301, but then there's an extra page. Couldn't work. It was 303. I think most of my prompts are really good, right? I'm not lazy, I'm just energy saving mode like a phone, but without the notifications. So I'm not arguing, I'm just explaining why I'm right. That's the difference, right? Okay, there's a difference, right? And so many cool ones. So the first one is my favorite because it's so on point. Dear Diary, today I'm going to rise like a phoenix, stronger and fairer, because this is a 103 days love story. Oh, remember that line in the first Deadpool movie. So what's next is the cover. I'm going to do another video for that because yeah, I'm going back to my short video streak, guys. So thank you for watching my video and joining me to create my Deadpool journal. Fingers crossed it's not going to get banned on Amazon. I've tried to avoid using too many Deadpool. In fact, I didn't mention Deadpool at all to the entire book. I went for Mr. Poole. I mean, Poole is the word that everyone owns. Nobody can copyright Poole. I hope so. But fingers crossed, guys. So I'll see you guys in the cover video. And also, please check out my other video, my children's book video, and my coloring page videos, and please subscribe. Like, dude. Thank you again. Bye bye.
Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Did you know you can get all our templates for $1? Visit our store, mainstack.store/DBC.